Today I want to teach you 5 of the best exercises to grow a beard. These exercises are very simple and you can do them with me right now. The first exercise. Massage your face with your index finger and thumb in a circular motion. Massage stimulates blood flow and is very useful for beard growth. Do this massage for 30 seconds. You can help me a lot with just one click and like. Thank you for your support. Exercise 2. Quickly hit your face with your 4 fingers. I really enjoy doing it. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Exercise 3. Massage your face linearly and upwards with 4 fingers. If you like, you can use vegetable oils for massage. Do this massage for 30 seconds. The fourth exercise. Massage the right side of the face on the right side, and the left side of the face on the left side linearly. You can do this exercise both with your fingers and with the palms of your hands. Do this massage for 30 seconds. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. The fifth and last step exercise. To grow stubble, you can massage like me. I did these exercises myself and as you can see, it gave results. Do this massage for 30 seconds. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.